Hi friends, I'm Arun Vadera. Today we are going to look at ways to improve communication skills. We all want to convey our thoughts and ideas to others. We also want to be correctly understood. It is everyone's wish to be able to communicate fluently, flawlessly and effectively. Power of communication is one of the key traits of human personality. This explains the fact as to why some people with very good looks and glamorous appearance lose their shine the moment they open their mouth. On the other hand, someone with very ordinary exterior draws people in droves simply because of being blessed with the gift of the gab. Many a time, eloquent speakers and talkers cut a sorry figure the moment they are required to pen a few lines, draft a formal letter, or even an application. There are others who can write anything in a jiffy, from a treatise to an article or even a book. Their creations are well formulated, grammatically correct, impressive pieces of work. These are not only written efficiently, but are a joy to read. Next, there are those who not only speak fluently and impressively, but also wield the pen with equal ease. They have great communication skills such as speaking, listening, reading, and writing. Effective communication requires a fair knowledge of all these skills and a constant effort towards mastering them. It also needs a command on one's body language, which may be natural or cultivated. Modern communicator has to be computer savvy, if not exactly a geek. A well-groomed personality with a proper dress sense combined with poise, pleasant manners and courteous behavior also complements good communication. A rich and resonant voice with a controlled pitch is an added advantage. Speaking and listening are key factors in oral communication. The two activities are interdependent. A good listener may not be an efficient speaker, but a good speaker must be an efficient listener. Here is why. Speaking remains meaningless without a listener. Listening is essential for providing a feedback to the speaker and thus completes the process of communication. Patient listening enriches the speaker's experience. In olden days, huge amount of knowledge passed from generation to generation only through speaking and listening. Initially, our Vedas and folklore were only verbally conveyed by the great gurus and learned by the ardent listeners. A child learns to speak and articulate words by listening to his or her parents. A deaf person mostly remains mute as well, although lip reading and various speech therapies may help in developing speech faculties. Reading and writing. Spoken knowledge found a more permanent form when written language symbols, that is, alphabets, evolved. Printed and written word revolutionized communication. Rivers and tributaries of knowledge flowed all around and crisscrossed the universe. Reading and writing are interdependent and complementary to each other. Reading. We must understand that it enhances and widens the territories of knowledge like nothing else does. It aids and influences the thought process as one can mull over things by reading and evaluating ideas at leisure. It is the most profitable pastime available. Reading helps to clarify confusions, answers questions, and improves one's command over languages. Writing. As one's education progresses, writing emerges as an important tool of communication in one's personal, educational, professional, and commercial life. Although these days the written word is rapidly being replaced by computer typing, the core competence on call still remains one's writing capability. Writing develops clarity and ability to organize one's thoughts into a systematic order. It provides the opportunity to revisit and improve ideas, which is impossible in case of the spoken word. It improves the expression, develops language, and finally strengthens communication abilities. We can conclude by saying that effective communication is achieved through constant practice and hard work. One should keep one's eyes and ears open to be receptive towards new ideas and techniques that evolve over time. Perfection may not be a reality, but it should always remain a goal that propels action. Best wishes and thank you.